Name it. Oh wait, gotta do this one more thing. Yo, why is this so small? This update on. Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, I see it on your stream. Okay.
What happened?
The Memu platform.
Oh yeah. All right. Oh shit, I forgot to post this morning. Yo, can you send me my YouTube link? Like for the
Yeah.
stream, like to my messages?
I iMessage? Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Got you.
Post it on IG. IG my G.
Alright, sent it.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
There you go, Primo.
Thank you, mi hermano.
Oh my god. 56 messages. And counting.
Bro. No way, bro.
Bro, what?
Spilling coffee already?
Bro, I'm like a... Yo, bro.
All right. You guys ready?
No.
Market opens in literally 36 seconds, so
You're
hurry up.
capping.
Yep.
Bro, stop playing.
32 seconds. I'm looking at
It's
it.
not 26, bro. Leave me alone. Yeah, you gotta move this. You live streaming today?
Yep. And it's live. There's no delay.
How?
What do you mean, how?
Oh, wait, today is
It's Wednesday.
It's Money Wednesdays?
Yep. All right. Damn, Nvidia's just making new highs here, Frankie.
I'm honestly gonna just stay focused on Meta because it's breaking the consolidation.
Okay.
My only issue, it's a little behind from the market.
How far behind? Your market always finds a way to make a new high. It's hilarious.
And then I don't have anything on the stock, but they have some sort of like announcement or like meeting or event today. SMCI does. So
What time is that at, Frankie? Do you know?
I think it's at market open. I sent a
Oh,
tweet yesterday or 2 days ago, but
yes, all it.
Yeah, we gotta talk about the giveaway today because some people were confused.
you just let me know when to pick the people for that.
People.
And that's for Friday. We gotta pick Friday.
All right.
Alright, let me open my stream. I'm gonna get this one more monitor so I can set it up right so you guys can see everything on one page. So I'm gonna get that done. If you're on the stream, you might as well come to the Discord. There's obviously no latency there. There's no delay here on the stream, but might as well come to the chat. It's free 99. Yo, honestly, other than Meta and Nvidia, there's actually nothing really. Not Tesla. Apple is pretty strong. I don't want to touch coin. That's the only thing.
I have BA as a side watch with
I see
Benji on
BA
that
at
one.
188.90.
I have BA as well. I think my favorite one is Meta though.
It's what I have ready, but this thing's not what I wait.
SMCI's up the most pre-market on my watch list. And then BA is the only thing that's red. But it's like flat red.
If it's really aggressive, you like Tesla still weak below 173? Not at 173, just because it's been faking out.
On a day like this, yes. Where everything's showing strength.
Yeah. Because even below 174, we'll talk about that later since we're too close. Alright. Meta didn't really break there, did it?
No, nor what you like the most here.
Well, Meta is getting there. I just don't want nothing off the open here.
I just want to pull back on Meta. I don't want to play it on the first candle.
How much are these? I'd probably play the 485 calls. I'm looking at the 485 calls on Meta, guys. I missed that.
Where it goes.
You played that?
Yeah, with a light position.
I wanted to, but I wanted to wait a little bit longer. It was a red to green.
Yeah, that's why I took it.
Yep. Meta just stalled. Guys, anything else going on?
It was a big pullback here in the market there.
Yeah. Look at Nvidia. Yeah.
But it held up so nicely there.
Yeah, Meta's gone.
Oh, Lord, low.
You guys think George took it?
I took it.
You played the scalp, Frankie?
Nah, I held actually on the red to green, but I like how it was holding up. I'm still in this. I'm about to sell here on this next high.
I scalped it, Nor.
Oh my God, bro.
Yo, Tesla, straight
God,
down.
George.
Tesla might be the day, guys. This
That
is
was
the
beautiful.
type of day that's valid. It's in the 173s?
What's 173? Yeah.
I'm saying it's in the 173s.
What would you play?
173.
488, bro.
170 plus?
Great.
Mm-hmm. Shout out to Meta that did its thing. I just didn't
George,
wanna
these
take
are
the
my
risk.
fills on that.
What'd you say?
I was just sending my fills to George.
Nice.
On free day, it's hard to signal stuff like that.
Yeah, that was a hard one because even it pulled back, it hesitated, it did. It was, and on the first candle, that's too hard to call.
Yo,
Meta-
guys, I have
Tesla's
Tesla
still
already.
dropping.
This is really getting close, huh?
I don't want to bounce, bro. It's a straight drop.
How much
Switch.
is this?
Meta went right to my target at 488. That was my target for that.
We got the bounce.
Yo, we have any trends?
Dude.
Anybody
He's
check
blessed.
for trends on Tesla?
Nor.
What?
Look at, remember that alert we had last time on it?
Yeah.
The 12 set.
Nah, it was 7. Was it 7? Look, I just sent mine.
Nor, there's only the 30-minute trend, but 173 is under that trend.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yo, there's another problem here. Nvidia, but forget it. I'm gonna focus on Tesla here. I'm looking at the 170 puts. I'm in these. Damn, that just broke. You're gonna get these crazy bounces because how much it's dropped, but so what I'm looking to do is I'm gonna look to add to this position. I don't have a full position yet, but I want to add at 172.50 when it's confirmed that it's fully broke. This is what I was talking about yesterday. Slowly scaling into your position when I was talking to Jose. 172.50 I'll look to add.
Wow,
I like
almost
that. I
green to
like
red.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
What'd you
would
say?
love a green to red or any sort of close below 173.
Looks
This
great on
trade
the
does
I
have a
already
lot
feel.
of. I would say this trade has a lot of room. So
All right, I'm gonna look to add at 172.50. Obviously,
I'm
you
at
can take
with
it
you.
wherever you guys want, or leave your position. Market's just starting to drop. Damn.
I like how aggressive those wicks are to the upside. They're just a little tricky. So
These
you get
bounces are so
crazy.
aggressive, though.
I know that's why. I know that's why I hate these wicks.
It's annoying. What are you gonna use as your stop?
These contracts hit 150 for me.
What was your buy?
175.
Okay. 178.
176 actually.
178 fail.
We need some selling.
I'm in here.
I sent my
Yeah.
fills so everyone sees that.
Nice. Come on. Said we didn't have any more trends, right?
Yeah, but the market is dropping. Super
Yeah.
annoying.
Pretty close to the market.
This needs to
We're
start
under the
slipping.
30-minute. We're under the 15-minute. I don't see no trends, bro. I got room on ES.
I might look just to start scaling out because of the red flags that I'm getting with Tesla and NQ.
See, it's not 100% red flags yet. Wow, that just broke by 30 cents. I'm getting ready to add. Like I said, if you don't want to mess up your average, don't add. I'm adding.
Oh my god, bro.
Contracts are $2.
Probably scaling out on this next low.
I like that, George. I'm probably gonna look to scale out past 172.
The reason I'm allowing this trade to develop here is because I've been waiting for this for a long time. So like I said, if you like the scalps and you can't take the pressure of holding, then you've already accumulated a nice percent right there. Wow.
The next level I have on
big
Tesla.
big candles on futures.
This looks nice.
Yeah.
I think I'm
Now
gonna
we're
go with that.
talking.
Yeah.
Now it's not as scary as the wicks before. This is
The
looking
level
nice.
I have on Tesla is 171.50.
Yo, how much are you guys up? Percentage? Oh my god.
I'm up 10% right here. So.
Yeah, I'm up 10%.
Finna be up 20% after this break.
Yeah.
What's the target?
Under 172. The problem is the market's ripping. But it's not moving with the market right now.
ES is weak. ES is weak, and then
ES is weak?
strong. Yeah, ES is dropping right now.
Oh yeah, I see that. NQ is the one that's strong as fuck. Alright, so we need NQ to start following ES here.
Yeah, I got room on ES. I just don't really chart NQ, so I'm not sure exactly how much room we got there.
No, NQ bounced at the area that I needed. I wanted it to bounce at. 18,816 on NQ. All right, so look, this is what we need to see. We need to see a power candle into the low. So the next candle needs to break to at least
That
18
bid's getting
cents.
pulled.
So this,
Right
if
now.
if we see a volume candle, it has to break to at least 18.
Yeah, see.
All right, there we go. We got the 18. So if you want to start scaling out, be my guest.
Contracts were getting stuck there through that entire move.
Yeah,
so-
like $2, right? Right below $2.
Exactly at 2, yeah. So that's a little annoying.
I'm
Yes,
gonna allow
still
patience with
dropping
this
here.
trade.
No, I
Yes,
am
it's
too,
still
Nor.
dropping. You're doing what?
Let
gonna
the
give
trade
it some
play out a
patience.
little.
It's not the old Tesla.
NQ, heavy red candle now.
NQ, yeah, we're finally getting that. ES with a red to green.
See who fucking takes the charge here. I need to pull up the smaller time frame on NQ.
Another green to red on Tesla. NQ about the bear flag.
Yeah,
We're
we need
close.
an ASAP Rocky, like right now.
I
don't
need
wanna
you to
see
sing
you.
Justin Bieber like you did the other day
Yo,
to make a trade happen.
Bro, what?
Yeah, remember when him and Ian did that?
You got the bounce.
and the ES is still dropping there.
Is that news?
Oh, what the fuck?
Why
Yeah,
was it
we
so
we get
aggressive?
news at 9:45.
I don't think
10
that was
and
a
then
red candle,
10:30.
was it?
We have news in 5 minutes. Market's dropping. I have room down to 53.17. So it's not a lot on ES. Another 2 points here. How much more room do you have after that, George? That's the trend.
5315 is the first one. After that, then I have 5300. 5303. So it depends how we react around there. So yeah, pretty much 5317. Every time I have my levels, I always add like 2 points to each side.
Are you lowering your stop?
Me?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna keep it at 75 cents.
The top of the wick, yeah.
75.80. Depends how we get there. They're buying it down right now. Sellers are stepping in so far. NQ's coming up.
Everything's coming up right now, yeah. So let's see if Tesla's doing its thing. That's still not an aggressive push yet on Tesla.
Green to red is trying to at least on ES. And news in 4 minutes, right?
Yeah, I think it's PMI.
3 minutes.
If I'm not mistaken, I think it is PMI, but
What's your stop, Nor?
I'm gonna use 173.75.
As well.
I'm about to stop out here soon. When it did that push, it actually rejected right off my alert. So I
Me
didn't hear my
too.
alert.
My first alert was like 173.50.
Mm-hmm. Because I assume that's when my contracts will hit 150, but we'll see.
Right now, you're pretty much like break even.
See, this is still good right here. Green candles and ES.
Yeah,
But
you
NQ is
have to
coming up
remember
right now.
Tesla's not the same as before. So the stock doesn't move the same. So you have to have a little bit more patience. It's not straight down anymore.
And
You're
for a
green,
lot of
right, Frankie?
Yeah, I was gonna mention too. If you guys just put Tesla on the 1 hour, 4 hour, just to remind you guys how long it's been holding this level, you're gonna get these kinds of bounces and consolidations before an actual big breakdown.
Next big level on this stock is 171.33.
That's where I roughly have my area.
Is market pushing? Oh, ES is, that's why.
NQ is having a red candle.
ES.
Maki, what's your algo say?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
It's still far. It's just gonna rely on news.
Okay. I'm gonna be hovering that stop
The
loss till
algo's
news coming out.
algo's
My finger's on the sell
171.80.
button. There's news in literally 45 seconds, 50 seconds.
I like how I still like
171.80, Frankie.
Okay, Maki.
What do you say?
71.80.
All right, yeah, that's pretty much the target.
All right, so for a lot of new people, we do have news in 30 seconds, and just know this could get volatile. So
My finger's on the sell button. The problem is it can just jump, wick, and then come right back down. So
that's yeah.
it's a
Look at
lose-lose
NQ right
situation.
now.
In that case.
Oh,
All right, we got news.
8
8,
seconds.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not crazy important, but it's still news.
I like how much we're closing below 173 as of now, but we'll see here.
Market green to red candle. Gotta be careful here. My finger's on the sell.
Same here. I'm still keeping the same stop.
and Q's pushing, Tesla's not. Still like
ES
this,
is
but
kinda
that could
flat.
change. That can change any second here.
I was gonna say, George, I think I'm still gonna keep the same stop loss because buyers can come in anytime because of how congested this area is.
I'm gonna let you guys know I'm gonna add again if we drop to that low.
I didn't get to add earlier. I think I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm gonna add as well. I'm probably gonna sell everything once we break.
Yeah.
You're looking to sell everything when we break?
After if I add,
Yeah, if I
Okay.
add as well.
You're not gonna let the trade play out a little bit more?
It depends.
Because I have
Yeah.
a lot of room on this
Me
trade.
too. We all have a lot of
So-
Okay, we're getting there. So
Yeah,
at
the light.
172.22, I'm gonna add to this position. We're back at 190 a contract.
Good thing is news didn't affect our trade, so that's solid.
I'm gonna take my finger off the sell button right now. I'm twitching a little bit.
No cap. Yeah, same.
I always do that.
Went crazy. 492.
Yeah, Meta went dumb. Nvidia as well. It's about to make a new high. If I wasn't in Tesla, I would have caught Meta at least.
At 490, probably.
Mm-hmm. I probably would have took that bull flag. All right, we're doing all right. These are good signs right now. It's just the fact that if it switches at any moment, it does get a little scary because Tesla can, snap a finger and be at that stop real quick. But right now, you're getting a market push, and Tesla's kind of holding. So right now, there's no red flags here. If anything, we have what we want going on right now. Obviously, we would love it to just drop, but
Got an alert at 15 cents. That's where you plan on adding?
no,
15?
22 cents.
Okay. Finish that shit.
And honestly, I think I'm gonna stop out at Frankie's stop. 173.50. Yeah, because that was my original stop, and then I do like 173.75, but I feel like I'm giving it a little too much room.
This is what I have right now on my 1-minute chart. I'm sure Benji has a similar trend line too, because Benji loves drawing those.
All right. obviously we could have took it at that low and then walked away, but we've been waiting for this trade, so we like letting those trades at least develop a little bit so we can catch the biggest move possible on those trades that are not just new lows and new highs. Nvidia new high.
Volume's been pretty low ever since that move happened.
Mm-hmm. Giving it a shot here.
Come on, diamond hands.
Diamond hands.
Hold on, I'm looking around. Just let me know if anything happens.
It's happening.
Nvidia's going for it.
It is. I love how it's holding below 173 right now.
Oh, ES is dropping. It's only.
Oh, look at Tesla.
Come on. Diamond hands, baby.
Yo, shut up, bro.
Yo, Ian.
Man, you gotta talk to yourself sometimes, Ian. Don't let you keep doing that.
Yo, what's the song we were singing last time? Uh-oh.
In the high notes, huh?
You know you love me. I know you care. Shower never, and I'll be there. You are my heart.
I hope the stream can hear him.
Ever be apart.
Here we go, Nor.
Yo, bro, I told you it works.
Wait, what's the other? You gotta love yourself.
I forget. I didn't drink enough coffee yet to remember.
I will say there's been multiple times you guys can sell green on this signal. So if it goes red on you guys, I mean, it's up to your risk management at that point. So.
ES is heavy dropping here, Nor.
Oh, NQ.
Got up
Wait, what's
to
love
315.
Love yourself.
NQ starting to drop heavy as well,
And my
Nor.
mama don't love you, and she loves everyone. And I never meant to admit that I was wrong.
The contracts are getting
But I've been
stuck.
so caught up in my
I think that's gonna change if we break 172, hopefully.
Yeah, I just don't like when they get stuck like that. They've been moving fine, and now all of a sudden they're getting stuck at 190.
Guys, I'm gonna add at 172.22. Just a heads up.
You should go and love yourself.
Another bounce here.
Bro, come on,
I don't think I like.
What's up?
I'm not a
Yeah.
fan of that.
No, me neither.
Contracts got stuck, and then an aggressive candle like that.
Straight to the trend line though.
Yeah, it's touching it right now. It lines up at 173 now. I might stop out a little bit before my alert at 173.50.
I might stop at 40.
Alright, I'm gonna type out my stop. Sadly. 173.50. I want it to be 173.75, but I don't want to give it that much room. Big market candles, honestly.
Breaking my trend line right now, and it just closed above 173. I'm out.
Hit that stop. I hate Tesla for this reason alone.
Oh, man.
Dude, I think when it moves, it's gonna be like a $10 day when it's ready.
Someone said I hate Tesla for it. I mean, it was $1 drop, so it was just the fact that I'm looking for the big move there.
Count for today.
Damn, Nvidia's just.
1200 break.
I mean, market just ripped. High of day. Probably should have gave it a chance.
On what?
Tesla. But it's alright.
I gave it a chance just because it didn't really, like, it pulled back immediately. It broke, but then it got the bid stepped back in.
Before we got stopped out, that when contracts got stuck, that was my immediate first red flag on the trade.
Nvidia has a trend at 1200, I believe I saw.
Tesla's still dropping here.
Yeah.
Green candles on both futures.
Y'all good?
Nah, it's not dumping the cup. If we get any aggressive moves on the video, I'm gonna take that trade.
I like SPY puts here at the supply. I like the SPY puts below, if it holds below that 80 cent level.
Where it's at right now?
Yeah, where it's at right now. Looking at 529 puts. It accepts sitting at that 80 cents, so I'm gonna try it. A green to red would do. We're like 5 cents away here.
Guys, I'm looking at the 1250 calls on Nvidia. And then I'm looking to get in around 1193, and then my stop will be 1190. It's going to be about a 10% stop. We also have news in 3 minutes.
Another one?
Yeah. This is the last one of the day. Last two
Guys,
of the day.
ignore what I said then.
You're going to wait?
Yeah, I have to wait.
There's news at 10:30 as well.
I don't think that was important, though. Which one was 10:30?
Oh, the one that's important already happened.
There's another one at 10 that's semi-important.
10's ISM services and 10:30's petroleum status report.
I'm looking at 1250 calls on the video. Unless Maki's trade comes first.
I'm gonna skip. I thought it was one news today.
Said you're looking at 1193, Nor?
Yeah, with 1190 stop.
Gotcha.
That's the type of pullbacks you're getting on the bull flag, so it looks healthy. Damn, I mean the news though, 55 seconds. I would appreciate if it waited, but hopefully it waits here. Wait, please. Pull back just a little bit, that would be great. Alright, we have news in 8 seconds here. Maki's looking at puts on SPY, by the way. Damn, Nvidia just made it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yo,
Bro,
bro.
I'm tired of the news stuff, bro.
Look
I'm
at
dead.
NQ, bro.
And we thought it
I
wasn't
would've
important,
snapped
huh?
that.
Told you.
Bro, that was bigger than the first one.
I might still end up playing this. It's tricky. I'm gonna wait. Since it's news, I think I'm gonna wait for 11.95 at least. Don't have a choice with this market. Perfect. Beautiful. I could deal with that. Also, I keep getting added for the same thing. I'll talk about it in a second. The giveaway for the free month.
Tesla is still rejecting off that trend line I
Bro,
drew.
I was literally sending that right now.
Oh, yeah.
Sack
I just
of
wanted
shit
to look
Tesla,
at it
bro.
real quick.
Sorry.
No, you're not wrong. This stock is a bunchode.
I have Nvidia ready just in case, guys. I don't know if I'll take it, but I have the 1250 calls ready. I'm in. 1250 calls for Nvidia. I'm gonna use 1190 as my stop. It's not the ideal situation, but it's as early as I can get. There it goes. Obviously, if you want to just scalp it, walk away, cool. The contract's actually pretty much just flipped right there. Wow, that's quick. You guys see the contracts? Holy, 390. So my stop on Nvidia, I mean, you could walk away from this trade at any time. My stop is 1190.35. 1190.35 stop loss. target. Target's 1200. As long as the market obviously doesn't fall here, but.
Did you take that, Frankie?
Those
I did
contracts
not.
flipped heavy though.
I did not, George.
That I actually don't understand how they move so quick right there for something that's freaking $60 out the money.
After that Tesla trade, I clocked out, George.
Sure. I still haven't stopped out on Tesla, bro. If not, I would have took that. That looked clean. More than likely, I would have scalped it too.
Maki, if you're looking at puts on SPY, just let us know.
Yeah, well,
And let us know what contracts. I'm probably gonna play with you.
go. It's still rejecting the 80-cent level that I want. I'm still interested here. The stop would be above 530. I have the 529 puts ready. First one. I don't know. It's not really about the brace. If it starts falling here, that's not an entry for me.
Maki, same days or next days? They're asking.
They're next days. They're always next days. I think I'm gonna skip, guys, because I have another play that has a better risk reward. So at 40 cents, I have it as a support level. And if it doesn't crack through, well, there it goes. Never mind. Yeah, I'm just gonna miss out on this one, but that's fine with me. The next play is gonna be a lot better, like risk reward.
You're skipping?
Yeah, I'm skipping. Guys, you might think I missed out, but just understand that the stop loss would have had to been at 530. So if my entry is at 40 cents, that's a 60-cent stop loss. So I would need at least $1 move on this to make the trade make sense. So my target would have to be 528.40. And it's unlikely for it to get there. It can, but it's just unlikely. So I just look at the stop loss, right? If the stop loss is far, then the move that I'm projecting needs to make sense. In this instance, it wouldn't make sense.
No limit, Ant. Are you still in? Yep. Not yet. The ask for me is 1190. The stop is the ask at 1190.35. I want to add, but it's not gonna happen. Especially Maki looking at puts on SPY. Just gonna allow this trade to either hit my stop or pump through. Stock hours is $3.99 if you'd like to join.
I'm giving this Tesla freaking trade a couple more minutes. Getting tired of holding this.
It's just flirting with you.
Yeah. Um, 172, and then 171.80. Just depends how we break 172. We get down to 171.80 quick, and we don't see no hesitation. I may hold to 171.50, but more than likely, my stop here is a hard stop now at 40 cents. Yeah.
Nvidia, on the other hand, you guys know my stop, 11.90.35 on the ask. But if this shoots through 11.95, I'm gonna probably add before that high, especially if it's going against the market here, because this is consolidating now, so it's a good thing. The breakout's gonna be bigger than I expected before because of the consolidation. So I set an alert at 11.95.08. That's where I plan on adding. Obviously green.
Good stuff, Forrest. Yeah, we all had plenty of time to sell green, so that was good. Good stuff.
Yeah, Tesla was that was a slow trade.
Yeah, Forrest, look, he's in his fields. He sold green. Good.
Getting ready to add on Nvidia. Remember my alert's at 11.95.08, not 11.95 flat. Let's see. finger on the buy button. This looks ready here. The bid just needs to push up to 1194.75. Tesla's still at 173 and change, George?
I just stopped out. I actually started seeing red flags there towards the end.
Giving Nvidia a couple more minutes of consolidation. It's doing all the right things as of right now.
It looks good still.
Yeah.
For sure.
Still green on it.
I'm break even right here. Just a little below green, but
These contracts are reactive, so I'm okay with that.
yeah.
I haven't seen them get stuck or anything yet.
Yeah, Marwin, as long as your position size is good, it takes time though. It takes time. I'm still working on it myself.
All right, well, for the new people adding me while I'm in this trade, for the giveaway, if you want to win a free month, we're picking winners Friday. I believe we have the message pinned in general announcements, right, Frankie?
Sorry, what was that?
We have the message pinned in general announcements for the giveaway.
Not the giveaway, but Mumu
Yeah,
thing.
but it says the giveaway in there, right?
I can check. No, it's just your link because it only pins one message. It doesn't pin the group of messages you send.
Oh,
I can do that. I can do that instead, though.
No, it's all right. But if you use that link in general announcements for Mumu, we'll enter you into the raffle for this Friday. Picking 10 winners, maybe 15, to win a free month in the Discord. Are you taking Tesla if it comes down? Or are you sticking around for any other reasons?
No, I'm done. I'm just in the voice channel now.
Oh, okay. Make sure you follow your stop on Nvidia. I'm down less than 10%, so. Because if we break consolidation to the downside, it's the same as if, same reason I'm looking at the upside of the break of the consolidation. You're going to get a move.
What's your fill on these?
360.
Same.
Yeah. And if we get to 1195.08, where's my alert? I'm gonna add to this position. Hopefully it's not fast where I don't get to add. We're above 1194 right there on the ask. Got about $1 before I add. If we break and don't get a move to at least 1197.50, I'm gonna walk away from the trade. I mean, I'm gonna be green, but I'm gonna walk away regardless. I'm green, Keith. I put last, Crid. Obviously, if you don't want to add to Nvidia, don't add. It'll mess up your average. You're gonna be up nicely because it's gonna hit 390, possibly $4 a contract when it breaks, or when it gets up there. Before it breaks, I know after it breaks, it will be above $4 a contract. Here we go. I'm in. Well, I'm adding. Stop loss is still the same for me. 1190.35 last price is my stop. You can do 45. Make sure extra safe there. What's your stop, Keith? I don't know if you're in.
You said what's my stop?
Yeah.
Same as yours.
Okay.
I was in like 2 candles before you, I think. What time did you get in?
I gotta look at that in a second.
No, like as soon as I got in, like a couple seconds later you said like the exact plan that I had too, so
Target is 1197.50 at least. And then if we get rejected, I'm gonna just sell green wherever we're at.
I originally was looking at 1197.50 for my target because it was a 5-minute trend at the time, but on the 5-minute we have a bit more room now if we end up getting some actual like
It's a 1
good
minute trend
momentum.
now at 1198.
Yeah.
I just know the candle when it breaks consolidation should at least do that. Like that's the least it can do. 1197.50. You'll see if it breaks.
All right.
Ask is at 1195. Okay, here we go. Should get it right here. There we go. 1190. Wow. Look at the contracts. 395. Beautiful. We need to push here though. I don't want just a dollar break. That's nothing for this type of price.
Especially with NQ ripping like
There
that.
we go. $4 a contract. So obviously you can walk away now if you want. I'm getting ready to sell half. There we go. 1197 just broke. We're still at $4 a contract though. My contract's stuck at 4. There we go. Target hit, sold half. 410 a contract. 415. Getting ready to sell the rest here on the 1198 break. You selling the rest here, Keith, at 1180?
If we're strong at 1180, I'm thinking about just holding till 1200.
All right.
But I'm okay with like letting it try it
All right. I'll probably sell.
and
All right.
taking a bit less.
I'll probably sell another half then.
NQ, the only thing that's bothering me is just NQ is making huge candles right now.
I'm getting ready to sell another half. Yep. Sold another half here, guys. I have a quarter left. Damn.
It's trying that 1 minute trend.
Yep. Room up to 1200 if it breaks that. But I only have a quarter position left.
We got to get through that 1 minute trend and that 5 minute trend.
Contract's still holding up here. It hasn't flinched. I have a quarter left. I might sell the rest and then wait for 1200 as a separate trade. That's a consolidation break, by the way. That's why I waited. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla was an impeccable trade. It's just the fact that I was looking for the big play there. Keith, I think I'm gonna sell the rest and wait for 1200. I'm just giving you a heads up.
Yeah, I'm considering selling 3/4 of my position here. Because I'm still in with my whole position right now.
Yeah, you're crazy.
1197, if we get below that on the bid, I'm definitely getting rid of the majority.
All right, if we fail to break out 1198 again, I'm gonna just unload these unload these contracts.
Yeah, I've still got my full position here. I was giving it a second. My thought process is just if I held through the whole consolidation BS and it's showing me clean price action for now,
Yeah.
then
I'm about to unload,
okay.
guys. Giving it a sec, just in case we reject here.
Pause.
Yo. Got rid of it. All right, beautiful.
That was so clean. That was beautiful.
Let me just do the math.
I just got rid of 3/4 on that last candle. I'm holding the last quarter position here. And if we try to make any new lows, I'm going to get rid of that.
Is that Mav?
Here we go.
My Mav
Yep.
or no? Oh, nice, Mav. All right, cool. I want to know what was everybody's play with Tesla. Obviously, I held for my full target. But what did you guys do with Tesla? Since we were up like over what percentage was that on Tesla? 20? %, cool. 15, 40%, 14. $10 to 15 L. You took a L. I was up 1.5K. Okay. 19% break even. All right. For the most part, it seems like you guys took a decent trade.
This is a 15-day consolidation, so it makes sense to risk a little more.
Yeah, if this was
on
any other
big
day
play.
where we were just trading something, I would have got out of that at 20%. But
Yep.
from like experience and just knowing that I have to let those types of trades that I want those types of big trades develop, I gave it the patience that I needed. Yo, fucking Nvidia.
That's what I did with it. I sized heavier, but I knew it was going to take a lot longer. I knew I was going to take a bigger loss, but I already
Yeah.
knew that going beforehand.
It still made perfect sense though. Like either size up or put in extra risk because that play was huge.
And
Mhm.
and the market was pushing and Tesla was staying in its area. So like I feel like we did all the right things on that trade. That's the whole point of understanding like how much to scale in, because it's a bigger move than obviously you don't have to go in as heavy, but Nvidia just broke a high. I would treat
Yeah, I know.
1200
It
as a
broke a
safer
high
trade.
2 candles after I got out of the rest of my quarter position there.
Does it make sense to trade this again at 1200 for me?
I'm not. I already closed my platform. But also I have to go, so.
I like that. I
156
like the
million.
entry here on the video.
Huh?
I like the entry here on the video instead of 1200.
It already just, I think it just broke. But yo, look at this, Maki, $156 million worth of orders sitting at 1200.
Wow. I don't even think I heard a number like that.
That's not that bad though. Hold up, let me do the math. How many shares?
How much?
156 million.
million. I'll tell you how many shares that would need to be. 156 million divided by, let's say, 1200. It's 130,000 in one candle. That's not hard. Let's see the average candle. 90K.
The wall. So I'm actually editing the Microsoft trade from last Friday that had that 900,000 wall.
Yeah.
That was 370 million sitting there.
Yeah. So that's actually not a big wall for Nvidia, because you have to look at the average candles that it's having. 100K, 90K, right? You only need 130,000 in buying at 1200 to break that wall. So it's not that hard. I mean, it's not
All
hard
right,
at all.
boys. I wish you the best of luck. Have a great rest of your day.
All right, peace.
I'll see you at tonight's lesson.
Cool. All right, for the people asking me, yeah, it's pinned in general announcements when you sign up for Moomoo. After you sign up for Moomoo, send a screenshot to me, and then we'll enter you in the raffle for Friday.
To you or to Stock Hours?
Stock
DMs?
hours, Instagram.
Okay, yeah.
You've been saving it, right?
It's all, yeah. Anything, I haven't opened any of the messages. I know what they are, but they're just sitting in there.
Why? Because it's images?
Yeah, so I don't want to mess with any of it. So I just leave it unread or
Alright.
unrequested.
Does Moomoo show walls because TOS doesn't? Yes, and TOS does show walls. Yo, Maki, would you play 1200 or no?
No, I would have played at 90.
99?
Whenever that local high broke, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
98.50.
I just don't want to be in a trade for that long here if I'm scalping that, but
Yeah, the thing is, the market is like literally ripping.
yeah. ES at 53.30, NQ at 18.935. Okay.
My spy play will happen soon though. I'll
You
just
said
wait
what?
for that. The spy play will set up soon. Bounce back.
What am I getting tagged for? How do you word? Yeah, we're working on that this week. How do I switch the cash count on Moomoo this week? I'll let you guys know. I did make the video. It's just everything goes through the SEC. Like my Discord is fully attached to the SEC compliance. Every video I make has to get approved by the compliance team. So Caesar, I wish. Any more trades? Maybe. One more possibly. If I get the right move. Why is that? Because you're working with a broker. Like, when the hedge fund is fully open, imagine the hedge fund, like, what they got to go through. And it's just a broker.
Pause.
I think the reason is also going. Reason why it's also going crazy. Nvidia has a price target of 1,500. The analysts. I don't think I would change anything about the Tesla trade I took today, even if I took that again. Like if I had the chance to take that again, I would do exactly
It
what I
would be
did today.
identical. Yeah.
Like every time I look at
It's,
that.
but SPY at this location is scary. This is the 6th time it gets here.
Yo, my stream got taken down for inactivity. I don't think I was paying attention.
Everybody was holding their breath on the Nvidia consolidation.
Oh yeah, that's what happened. Okay. Yo, Nor Roaring Kitty is holding on to 20,000 contracts of GME that will expire on the 21st. If he decides to exercise the contracts, wouldn't that shoot the price higher? He has to have enough in his account to exercise that. Does he have enough? Yeah, but how much is 120,000 contracts? You have to remember each contract is 100 shares. So 120,000 times 100, and then that times the amount of shares.
You'd need like 300 million or something. What's gonna happen is the broker will sell it for him. Whether he likes it or not, it will just sell.
You're telling me he has 240 mil to exercise that?
Hell no.
He has 200.
There's no chance.
No,
So if he
his
doesn't,
whole
the-
That's not
idea
possible.
his whole idea is that he diamond hands everything, so he doesn't sell.
Yeah, but
How
there's
did how
no
did
way.
he how did he start with like what, like 2 mil, however much he started with? The max he made was like 50 mil on the entire thing.
Yeah, I think the most he was up was 70 M's. I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm not paying attention to that type of shit right now. But yeah, he started with 50K. That's a fact. And it was shares. Keith said he's probably got to be fucking. Yo.
can they even do that? Yeah, they can, Millie. If he has no money to exercise the contracts, the broker will just sell it. No, Millie, they would not. He's in the money, so they're not gonna expire. If they expire worthless, then that's a different story. The play on SPY is gonna happen soon. Just gotta wait it out.
We done? Or are we waiting for anything?
Frankie took SPY yesterday. You see that? He played SPX. Check meta. What's meta doing?
What happened?
Someone said check meta.
Just nothing there.
Oh, he's talking about. Am I still looking at puts? I'm looking at calls currently. How long do you hold your trades on average? I would say like 20 minutes. Oh, you did SPY. Yeah.
If we break 1200, do I see it holding? It depends how we get there. We're moving too close in comparison to the market, but it's really not because it's consolidating. Same play as before. Why didn't you raise the stop loss after adding to the position? If you're talking about Tesla, right? Because it didn't get to below 172. If it got below 172, I would have hired it. I mean, I will technically lowered my stop loss. No Nvidia. Nvidia's coming back up, but market is also coming back up. I don't know if that's worth me trying. Where's your algo, Maki?
At 12:05.
I mean, there's a little bit of room right there. The 1 minute has a trend at 12:01.02. So you got about $1 move on that trend. Still working on that, Kevin? Damn, I have to check.
Okay, what I'm trying to do is, I know NQ is stronger for now, but when we get to that bounce level on SPY, I want to see if NQ is weaker or stronger. So mostly looking at QQQ, that's seen the strength already. Bounce levels are 530, 20 area, 530, 30, that range, and 530, two levels. Okay, what we have to do now is see if NQ is weaker or stronger on this move down.
If you're in the stream, you might as well join the chat for free 99. We're also doing a raffle giveaway, so if you join the Discord, you'll be able to see how to enter that. We're giving away 10 people a free month in the Discord.